Aplailasain is built for students studying UK qualifications, A-Levels, GCSEs, revision support when it matters. Designed with expertise in education, computer science and AI, built to support learning, not replace it. Responsible AI study support with guardrails for safer use. Students are reminded to check important answers and use teachers' textbooks, specifications, and mark schemes. Payments are handled by Stripe. The platform is built on proven infrastructure, hosted here in the UK, with careful data management and access controls. Uploaded files are not retained. Only the AI-generated study advice is saved to study history, so students can review it later. Aplailasain, AI-powered study support for A-Levels and GCSEs. Start free today. Aplailasain.co.uk